Here's how Sun King takes recycled computer parts and makes a badass PC. Step 1, the motherboard. Here's our motherboard, and this is the CPU, the control center for the whole PC. First, we install the CPU into the motherboard. Here's our RAM. RAM is the computer's short-term memory. It allows for quick recall of functions. Place the completed motherboard into the case and screw it in. Step 2, coolant system. Here's our CPU cooler system. We separate the heatsink and fan for installation. Then, using our thermal paste, we apply it onto the CPU and stick our heatsink directly into it. Screw it down and install the fan next to that. And plug it directly into the motherboard. Step 3, power supply. The power supply converts AC electricity into DC electricity and then distributes it to the rest of the computer. Fit the power supply into its slot and screw it down. Then distribute all the cables into the areas where they will be plugged in. Now it's time to plug in the cables. The motherboard power, USB 3.0, CPU power, USB, audio, and the power switch and LEDs. Step 4, video card. The video card allows the user to see and control things on the monitor. Place the card in its slot on the motherboard. Screw it in. Plug it into the power supply. Step 5, cable management. There are a ton of cables that need to be organized inside this PC tower. We keep everything tidy with a few zip ties. Step 6, does it work? All right, we did all the installation. Now we power it up and see if it works. This PC is renewed.